everyone, welcome to this short video on flipped classroom in online and hybrid environment. Our guest is Professor Blaženka Divjak from the University of Zagreb, Faculty of Organization and Informatics. Professor Divjak, hello.
Hello.
The COVID-19 pandemic has brought additional challenges to education in general, so please tell us what are your experiences with flipped classroom during the pandemic.
If teacher had introduced flipped classroom before pandemic, usually these teachers are much more efficient and better in using flipped classroom during pandemics, when the majority of teaching and learning moved online. But flipped classroom is really suitable for online or hybrid mode of delivery because in all stages we can use online and hybrid formats of delivery. For example, in the first stage, when teacher prepare a material like video lecture, this material can be put into learning management system. Then students can engage with this material in online environment before classes. After that, we can prepare quizzes or some other discussion formats, or actually just follow what students are using during this preparation phase by use of some simple learning analytics. All this can be done very efficiently in a learning management system online. Then, when students and teachers comes together for in-class teaching and learning, it can be done in a hybrid format or online format or physical format. But when preparing this very valuable time for when all the actors of the learning process are together, teachers can use the feedback from students coming from quizzes and learning analytics, but also students can be aware of their let's say level of acquiring knowledge and skills in this pre-phase. Then, when students and teachers are together, for example, in a hybrid format, we can give opportunity to students to ask questions, to collaborate. In-class students can work in groups, but also we can work with the students that are online, for example, because of some space restrictions during pandemics, and then can participate through chat or having some forms of group work in an online environment. But it is very important that we give students opportunity to interact and work on problem solving during classes. And after the class, because we cover also for example, problem solving or group work in class, we can give opportunities to students to work a little bit more on complex tasks and assessment. Formative and summative assessment can include more complex tasks like project work or problem solving, and all that can actually contribute to the acquisition of high level of learning outcomes for students.
Thank you very much for these interesting and I hope inspiring insights, and thank you for watching.